Hello everybody, I'm Ronnie with Whip and Chain. I work with Maggie to bring you these beautiful crochet tutorials. We got a beautiful one, guys. We have a spring headband. Look how nice. Let me see if I can turn it around to show you the back. There she is. And that's my dog joining me. There she is. But there it is. It's absolutely gorgeous. So let's have some fun and dive into it. Let's have some fun making this spring headband. It's a perfect time of year to do these. You need some cotton thread. I am using Loops and Threads cotton, classic cotton. It's a 4, and this one is called Bubblegum. All right. So, it's not a hard project. I would say this is extremely beginner friendly, and I picked pink. Oh, and also you need a hair tie. I picked one that's similar to color, but you can use any color you want, but we definitely need a hair tie and a 4mm crochet hook. I have my door open, and it's a beautiful day out, so cars are traveling, so if you hear a little bit, that's all that is. So leave a little bit of a tail, and we're going to do a chain, and then I need you to do a chain of 70. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and you just keep going to 70. Okay, after you get your chain of 70, I'm going to strongly suggest that you work in the back horizontal bars. Okay, it's going to make it easier for the edging. So 3rd chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, turn over, and in that back horizontal bar, do a half a double right there. And then I want you to put in 1 half double in each bar. Now, if you want to make this different sizes, all you need to do is do this in multiples of 2. Multiples of 2, and you can make it any size that you want. Small, medium, large, bigger than the one we're making. Totally up to you. So in every stitch going down, I want you to put in a half a double stitch. Traffic's busy today. It's such a beautiful day. I can understand why. Ooh, big truck. But anyway, so go all the way down and do a half a double. Okay, so we did our half doubles all the way across. Look how pretty. So now the next row, I want you to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now, the first stitch that you came out of, we're going to skip that. The second stitch, we're going to skip. You're going to go into that 3rd stitch and place a half a double. Okay. Then you're going to chain 1, skip 1, and put in a half a double. Chain 1, skip 1, put in a half a double. And I want you to do that all the way down. Chain 1, skip 1, half a double. Chain 1, skip 1, and half a double. And I'll meet you at the end. Okay, look how pretty that is. Some simplest stitches are beautiful. So at the end, you chain 1, you skip that, and then you're going to go into that last chain stitch and do your half double. Then we're going to turn our work. Now let me show you what to do. Chain 2, you take your hook, you go into the first chain of the chain 2, and you bring up yarn. Then you go into your first stitch and bring up yarn. 3 loops, yarn over, go through all 3. That's a standing half double. And then we want to put a half double on every stitch going down. So in the chain 1, you just go around and do a half double. Then in the actual half doubles, you put a half a double. So again, in the chain 1, just go around and do a half a double. Then in the standing half doubles, just go at the top of them and do a half a double. So you just keep doing that all the way down to the end. Okay, I will meet you at the end. Okay, when we get down to the end, you put one in the double crochet chain, half double crochet chain, then you put one around, and then you put one in the chain to keep everything uniform. Okay. Now you can stop here if you like, or you can do the crab stitch with me for the edging on both sides. So to do the crab stitching is done in reverse, guys, okay? So you chain 1, you put your hook in that first stitch, bring it up, the yarn on the left, grab the yarn and bring it through, yarn over and go through 2. Oh, my yarn was very loose. Let me tighten that up a little bit. There we go. Go in, yarn over it and go through 2. There we go. Go into the next stitch. Go in, bring up yarn, come on up, yarn over and go through 2. Go into the next stitch and go through 2. So it is just single crochet in the reverse, just like that. Okay, I am going to do this on both sides and then we'll join it. Okay, I got down to the end. We're going to take our hair tie and we need to stretch it, and you need to tie it in a knot. And this is how I do it. I just use my crochet hook to bring it through. Oh, I need to put a knot in the middle. Okay. So then I'm going to try to do my crab stitch, since I'm on this side of it, over top of this thing. If you cannot, you can whip stitch it on, but I think I'm going to try it this way to see. Let's see how it goes. Over, bring up some yarn, and there. Let me go into our next stitch. You don't know until you try things, guys. Go in it. Look at that. So I did the crop stitch right over it, So now it's locked in. So now I'm going to do the crab stitch going all the way up. So I just put it behind the stitch and added it as part of my stitch is all I did, guys. That's it. So I'm going to crab stitch all the way up. So I went down both sides. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Like, this is like gorgeous. So I am going to wrap up my other tail. And I'm gonna again go over there we go. That way we don't have to sew it on. So I just brought up the hairband and I'm going over it. Really cool how that works. So I'm doing the crab stitch over top of the hairband. Now if you don't want to do it this way, again, you can whip stitch it on. But this makes it really nice. And then we cut it. And chain one. And then I'm going to weave this in and I'll be right back. So I did a green one and a pink one. Works up really nice, guys. Really, really nice. The crab stitch really, really makes it absolutely beautiful. Well, I am Ronnie with Whip and Chain. I work with Maggie to bring you these beautiful crochet tutorials. Until next time, here at Whip and Chain, it is always a work in progress. Enjoy crocheting, guys. It is a wonderful, wonderful journey. And please allow Maggie and I at Whip and Chain to be a part, just a little piece of your journey. Have a good day, guys. Bye.